Next, I'd like to look at some teaching tools that you can use, and this is primarily so that you can flip your classroom. The first one that you can put in your toolbox is Screencastify. I'm using Screencastify to make this recording that you're watching right now. Basically what Screencastify is just a Google Chrome add-on. You can see this little film strip with a red dot, which means that I am recording myself right now. This little film strip shows up on any computer that you use as long as you add it to your Google Chrome, which is on my M. Caldwell at RUSD Learns account. So if you put this onto your account, then any computer you go to will have that little film strip there. You just click that open and you can start recording anything that you have on your screen. So you'll notice that I can flip around to different tabs. You're seeing everything that's happening. So Screencastify is a great way for you to record your lessons. It also has the opportunity for you to record yourself, so you can do a forward-facing just screen headshot, and you can use that to make videos of yourself giving little lessons, or like instructions for a lab, instructions for a project that you're doing, anything that you want to do. Another cool thing with Chromebooks and everything like that, all the kids can use this same Screencastify Chrome add-on and have them record themselves doing their projects, which means you can grade those projects in a much easier way than having each kid come up to the front and do their presentation to the whole class. You could also have everybody record themselves and do peer editing, things like that. So Screencastify, great way to record yourself, which would help you to flip your classroom. You can record yourself doing lessons. YouTube is the next one. YouTube, obviously everybody knows about it, but I have identified, and actually Ashley Fulmer should get credit for this because she really has identified all these different sites that have great YouTube videos dealing with science. And you can take a look at these on your own time, find some YouTube videos that you can show to your class and things like that. And you might be saying to yourself, well, kids just go on YouTube and look at this stuff. How do I know? How can I grade them? Well, that's what the next tool is for, Edpuzzle. Excellent tool for putting a video from YouTube, or maybe if you make your own screencast and you put it into Edpuzzle, and you can stop the video somewhere in the middle and have a question about what you've been talking about. So for example, you could be teaching a lesson and then suddenly stop the video, have a quiz question the students have to answer. The quiz can be multiple choice, fill in the blank, however you want. The students then, it also records how much time students have spent on your homework assignment. So let's say you put a 5-minute video on there and you see that Johnny spent 2 minutes on it. Well, obviously he didn't watch the entire 5-minute video. In fact, Edpuzzle will even tell you exactly how much of the video and what part of the video the student watched. So it's a really great way for you to hold students accountable for watching the videos that you have in your lesson. You can make your own lesson and have questions about it, or you can just grab something that's already made out there on the web. If you have a great TED Talk or a great some YouTube video that you see, you can even trim that YouTube video and just use the part of the video that you want to use. So Edpuzzle is a great way. Another one is formerly known as Educanon. So a lot of people are familiar with the Educanon name. They've changed their name to PlayPosit, which is basically the exact same tool as Edpuzzle. Both of them are free. Both of them have just slightly different options, different ways in which they do things. So you can look at either Edpuzzle or PlayPosit as the tool that you can use to help make sure that students are watching the videos. So if you do flip your classroom, you can hold students accountable for that. I encourage you to look at either one of those and pick the one that you like best and utilize it for any lesson that you have, or maybe a preview to a lesson or anything like that. You can flip your classroom, have students looking at your videos for homework instead of having them come to class. And then when you're in class, you can work with them on problems or group work or anything else that you have.